Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Lewis and today we're going to be checking out the BTS edition Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. My girlfriend is a huge BTS fan, aka an army, so I went and bought her the phone, and since she can't wait anymore, let's get right into it. Right off the bat, you can see that this phone was created with plenty of love, I want to say. There's tons of details, like the little heart features on the front that looks like they were laser cut. And actually, the purple in the hearts is from the Buds Plus logo, which I think is pretty damn cool. I already forgot to mention that I bought the headphones as well, really because they come with the limited edition posters when you buy them together, and I couldn't leave my girlfriend without the posters, so she got the headphones as well. And the first thing you can see they come with is a protective cover. Now, I think this is awesome. I own the Galaxy Buds Plus headphones. They don't come with any extra accessories other than the additional ear tips and the charging cable. So that the fact that they come with a protective cover and there's so much thought in the design of that, with the eye purple U and the heart in the middle of them, is a really nice touch, really nice feature. And then the headphones themselves, which come in this limited edition BTS eye purple U color. The purple is actually really nice. I don't care much for the color purple, to be honest with you, but the aesthetic really works with these headphones, especially the little additional logos you could see on the headphones themselves. All these neat little details and touches make it really nice together, and it matches perfectly. I mean, you could see here the case is actually slightly matted, while the headphone case itself is gloss, so the whole thing just works really well. And of course, being that it's a BTS edition Galaxy S20, you also get to see all of your favorite members right inside the box. And starting with the group leader in the order that they're laid out, we have RM, Sugar, J-Hope, Jin, V, Jimin, and Jungkook. And now we get to the phone. So we have the same 7 hearts in the front, also laser cut. You can see they use the same design aesthetic for the headphones and for the phone. I should point out that they're actually sold separately, so this is a really nice touch that they did with both the boxes together. It's a typical Galaxy phone when it starts up, but then we add these additional details. I believe in your Galaxy with the eye purple U heart, just for BTS fans. And then the phone itself. Now, again, I'm not a purple fan, I'm not a pink fan, but the design, the aesthetic, the thought that went into this phone, I mean, it just makes it a super sexy phone. This nice matted but like pearlescent purple, blue, pink design that it has going on, the touch with the eye purple U heart underneath the camera display module. Everything is just really nice about it. The way the light gleams off of it. This phone even does really well with fingerprints. I mean, my girlfriend was playing with it for most of the weekend and it got a couple of smudges. It wasn't even very bad at all. The OS even has a custom skin on it to represent BTS and all of the armies as well, including a couple of apps dedicated to the phone, like this XR snapshot app. I don't show much of it in detail here, but you can actually pull up a 2D VR character of one of the members doing something you would like, I guess, throwing up the little hand hearts, and you can take a selfie with it if you wanted to. But the general apps, like even the phone app here, you can see they have little fine details like the stars, like the Galaxy stars all over them, the purple call icon, the messages. So you have a purple message icon with the same stars aesthetic going across the screen. And very, very neat features. There you have your general apps as well. If you go into the main menu, you could see there are most of the apps actually have the custom skin on them. Some don't, and then you have the, of course, Weverse app. My girlfriend had to make sure I pointed that out for all of the armies out there as well. We follow the same stars theme on the home screen here with the Big Dipper, 7 stars for 7 members. and now the headphones. So even when pairing the headphones to the phone, you could see we have the same general pairing screen, but now with the BTS member icons and this nice little graphic underneath it. Each of these devices are so unique. Even when you click into something like the Samsung Wearables app here, you can see that the icon is purple because it's acknowledging that you have the BTS limited edition Galaxy Buds headphones connected to it. Everything else remains the same, all of the settings, general features. This is something I actually never tested on my previous headset, but if you try to find your headphones, it actually makes this really kind of a cutesy bird chirping noise. It's again something I never noticed before. I don't know if it's unique to this headset or if it's just a feature that was on the Samsung Galaxy Buds before, but I think it's a really nice feature that you can find your headset if it gets lost. Something else I want to point out, just another attention to detail, you could see the Big Hit Entertainment logo there, because of course nothing is done without their permission. So you know this is a legit collaboration between Samsung and Big Hit and BTS. Another cool feature about the case, it's actually an NFC capable case that can be paired to the phone, and what you get when you do that is actually a custom skin only available when you buy these two products together. Now, of course, you don't have to buy them together at the same time, but I think the Galaxy Buds are currently sold out right now. So if this is something that some people were very interested in, they probably would have wanted to get both at the same time. I'm pretty sure it'll be available later on. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it should be maybe something as a downloadable content. Now, I had actually paired the case to the phone previously, so I had everything downloaded just to show you guys quickly. It didn't show up in the themes folder for some reason. I actually had to scroll down from that notification menu to show that the case and the wallpaper was already downloaded previously. Click back into it and then turn it back on in order for it to activate on the phone. And what you get is a completely new skin. Of course, BTS theme. Now instead of stars, we have hearts, similar to the hearts that you found on the front box or the front case for each of the headphones and the phone. Cool feature is, or cool thing about this is, whenever you open the phone, put it to sleep and wake it up again, you actually get a different theme or a different wake up theme from the phone or on the main screen. You get 4 different themes from what we could see here. So this is the 3rd theme coming up. And then the 4th and final theme, which is the one that everyone seems to be going crazy over, which is the Galaxy Whale. Then as you can see, similar to the previous skin we showed before, the icons actually changed to match the skin. Not all the icons, some of the icons, but pretty much all of the ones we displayed before, all of the ones that generally stay the same, like the Play Store, Facebook, obviously Reverse, things like that, they'll stay the same. There are a couple of extra accessories you get with the phone. I mean, generally with any phone, you get the charger cable, the charger, headphones. This phone, however, did come with its own case and some stickers, which I know armies will definitely love. I know my girlfriend definitely loves them. She loves putting stickers all over everything. But we'll get into that in a second. With the phone, I guess as part of a matching set with the headphones and the wireless charger, which unfortunately I didn't get, you get another set of cards. And finally, back to that case, I really like how they put a completely clear case so that you can protect your phone but still also kind of maintain that sexiness and beauty of the phone. They really want you to show it off. Show off that you have a nice phone. Show off that you have the BTS edition Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Why not? I would if it was my phone. It's not my phone, but I definitely would. The stickers are a nice touch. You can choose to put them on the phone, on the case, wherever you want. I feel that the bold mirrored lettering is a perfect final touch and addition to making the phone complete. It's just perfect. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you own the phone, or if you plan on getting the phone, if you own the headphones, let me know in the comments what you think about it below. If you're watching this for the first time, if you're on my channel for the first time, subscribe, like the video, hit the notification bell, do whatever you like. If you didn't like the video, like the video. Thank you, and see you guys next time.